Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Recently I had posted this worksheet on the channel which was related to subject verb agreement. So here's this video which will explain the answers of the questions. Alright, here we go with the first one. It says do as directed. So that means you will be given instructions in the bracket. So जो भी instruction bracket में given है उसके according आपको करना है question. All of you submit your copies. Identify the kind of sentence. तो यहाँ पर आपको बताना है कौन से टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस है. जैसे इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया जाता है सबमिट योर कॉपीज. दिस इज इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस. 4 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेज आर देयर. असर्टिव जिसमें आप एक इन्फॉर्मेशन करते हो या डिक्लेयर करते हो कुछ. देन इंटेरोगेटिव व्हेन यू आर आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस. और फिर होता है इम्पेरेटिव जिसमें आप कोई एडवाइस, रिक्वेस्ट या फिर सजेशन या फिर कोई कमांड, order, that is imperative. Then exclamatory when you're expressing feelings of anger, happiness, sorrow, strong feelings, emotions जब आप express करते हो. So this is imperative. Okay, so this is done. Next, a pile of notebooks dash kept on the table. It is written a pile. As you can see here, it's written a pile. That means one pile. Sorry, it's written one pile. So one pile is singular collective noun. With singular collective nouns we use singular verb. Was is used with singular subjects. So a pile of notebooks was kept on the table. Moving on. Sheetal walk to her school right now. Use correct form of verb. That means you have to use the verb according to the sentence. Sheetal dash to her school right now. This word right now tells us what kind of tense we will be using. Right now means it is happening in the present. Something which is happening in the present is in progress. हम कौन सा tense use करते हैं? Present continuous tense. So Sheetal is walking to her school right now. Okay, so the answer will be is walking. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, next. 10 kilometers dash walked by her. 10 kilometers talks about distance, right? So when you're talking about distance, you're talking about time, period of time, you're talking about money, you use singular verb. So 10 kilometers was walked by her. Next, Shruti dash as a nurse. We are talking about profession. This information is always going to remain true. है ना, वो जो काम करती है वो उसके बारे में एक ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेशन है जो हमेशा सच रहेगी. सो श्रुति वर्क्स एज ए नर्स. वी विल यूज वर्क प्लस s because our subject is singular. So this we have used simple present tense. In simple present tense, if the subject is singular, that means one, तो verb के साथ हम s और es ऐड कर देते हैं. ये verb का फर्स्ट फॉर्म है, उसके साथ हमने ऐड किया s और es. I hope it's clear. So the answer here will be works. S will be added. Next, Kamal as well as Rani dash going to the fair. यानी कमल और उसके साथ साथ रानी फेयर में जा रहे हैं, मेले में जा रहे हैं. नाउ व्हेन यू आर जॉइनिंग टू सब्जेक्ट्स यूजिंग एज वेल एज. अब यहाँ पे 2 सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, एक है कमल और एक है रानी. ये 2 लोग जा रहे हैं और कहाँ जा रहे हैं? फेयर में जा रहे हैं. तो वो ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया. कमल एंड रानी ये किससे जॉइंड है? एज वेल एज. तो हमेशा इस टाइम पे आप क्या यूज़ करेंगे? आप सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज़ करेंगे क्योंकि हमारा जो फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट है दैट इज़ सिंगुलर. सो सिंगुलर अगर हमारा फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट है तो वर्ब भी सिंगुलर होगा. अगर ये फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल होता तो हम आर लगाते. क्लियर? सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स डैश आउटसाइड द क्लास. अब यहाँ पर लिखा है सम विच इज़ यूज्ड with plural countable nouns. So some of the students are outside the class. Next, the bride dash beautiful. Simple. Bride is singular, so the verb will be singular. Rinku dash long hair. Again, singular subject, singular verb. Rinku has long hair. Next, Saif usually dash for a walk. Again, singular subject, singular verb. It is written usually. Can you see this? Usually. This word shows that it happens as a routine. So when you're talking about routine, what tense do you use? Simple present tense. As I told you earlier, simple present tense with verb first form. What do you use? S or es. I hope this is clear to all of you. And the last one, I dash late for the movie. Now the verb be has three forms in present. It is, am, and are. And in past, that means second form, was and were. Okay. Now the question is saying I dash late for the movie. So here no time has been mentioned. Okay, so we will be going towards present tense. If you're talking in simple past, time is mentioned in simple past, so we cannot use was or were. So we will use any one out of these three. With I, what do we use? Correct, we use am. So the answer will be I am late for the movie. I hope all the answers are clear to you, and let me know your scores in the comment. In case you have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you have liked the video, then please like it, share it with your friends so that they also get these the concepts clear, and subscribe the channel if you still haven't. Have a good day. Goodbye.